is one of the most anticipated phone, and I've been really excited to see it. Oh, it comes with the Samsung Galaxy Buds. Wow. Okay, let's play with the phone. So one of the cool functions of the new Samsung Galaxy Fold is that you can open multiple apps at the same time. It's called the multi-active window, which allows me to check my schedule to fix appointments and meetings. And the other cool function is that app continuity. For example, if I've opened Maps on the big screen and if I fold it, Maps is right here. Kudos to Samsung for thinking out of the box, for coming out with this amazing design, and it feels really, really solid. I'm really excited to start using it.